In non-city-based civilizations, plants and other food from the ground was eaten as a major part of the diet of people. This did not change with the shift to city living. Farmers grew wheat and many other crops to provide sustenance for the whole community, along with the animals that were tended in pastures. There also continued to be nomads that raised animals, moving when the food supply ran short. Art was also an important part of both societies. In non-city-based life, there were many works of art ranging from sculpture to cave drawings, as seen in material culture from early human societies. Many city-based societies made sculptures and other artworks of their versions of gods and deities to honor them, or to make them come to life. Family composition was also more or less unchanged. Lineage was important to non-city-based people and city-based people for purposes of inheritance and succession. The distinction between civilization and society, to me, seems weak. The only clear-cut distinction I see is having a written language. Many other aspects of society are similar between non-city-based civilizations and the city-based societies. History is very interesting to me, which is why I took this class over the summer. The material is all fascinating, particularly the art. Making art was so important to these people that they did it even with their limited capacity to do so. They had only rudimentary tools to carve materials and only very basic paints made out of crushed berries and such. But they still made artwork, such as that seen in material culture from early human societies. Sailing is also an interest of mine, so learning about the very first sailboats is also very interesting. One thing that I don't understand, or that I question, is how do we know all this? So much of this seems like guesswork, or just things that we couldn't possibly know from the evidence given to us, from what we can recover. So it seems like we just don't really know, and I don't know how we can assume some of these things without firm evidence.